There's nothing quite like a good salad dressing in summer, and I've already talked about a ranch dressing for dipping things in, but I really do like a good salad dressing on a good salad in the summer. Today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you a Catalina salad dressing. Now this Catalina salad dressing is quite similar to a French dressing, but possibly has a little bit more tomato to it. And it's really, really simple. You're going to need 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of ketchup, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of celery seed. Now you can mix this by hand, but I would strongly recommend using some kind of food processor or blender, and I'm just using my small one that I use quite frequently, because you really want this to be mixed exceedingly well, so it's very, very smooth. And I'm just going to start off by putting in my vinegar and my oil. And now we can add in our salt, and really it is just a pinch, but if you really want to measure it, it's about 1/16 of a teaspoon, and again a pinch of our celery seed. And now I'm going to put in my sugar, and finally my ketchup. And really that's it, and now we're going to blend it until it's absolutely smooth. After about 30 seconds to a minute, it's just perfectly blended. I love this so much. It's so nice and quick, and the flavor is incredible. It really does make salads stand out. So I'm going to tuck in and just try, if I can find a small piece of lettuce. It's such a wonderful, tangy, bordering on quite sweet, with a nice hint of that tomato in there. That is really a wonderful dressing to try on a salad on a beautiful summer's day. And I hope you do. And if you do, I'd love to hear from you how it turned out for you in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on all my social media, and those links are below in the comments section. Now, if you'd like to try some of my other salad dressings, you can click on this playlist right here for sauces and dressings. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.